Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear search history on the MP3 downloader YouTube player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is an
We
app
both have the same
and
number of steps. Why can you get such Robux?
It's that
don't
app.
skip.
100 steps can exchange 100
This will
Robux.
take a head.
Of course, the more steps you have, the more you can redeem. Look, 10,000 Robux coins have been added to my account. What are you still hesitating about? Download now.
Click to the X button and you can skip the ad. You go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the settings icon. In the tools section you can find the first option, the clear search history, and click that, and if you want to clear, just click to the OK button and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.